welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking some chili. We are calling this cooking with dogs barking in the background. You're going to meet my sous chef. This is Bree. Come here, honey. Sit, speak. Oh, paw, give paw. Okay. She's going to help us out today by, what do you do? What? 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 Speak. Tell me that. This would not be cooking with barking dogs unless they were barking, right? Hey? Oh my goodness, I think we're gonna have a symphony. The husband's back. Would you come in for a moment? No. No, okay. So, you're so cute. That's not to me. He said that to the dog. Yeah. Ho, ho, ho. The ingredients, if you care, are an assortment of spices, dog treats. So, we're gonna start with onion. I don't think that Martha Stewart has anything to worry about. Hear that? I think this Super Bowl stuff started. And I'm not ready. Okay, we got your barking dogs here. We got your food going here.
I'm so depressed, I'm not gonna lie, but your problems are bigger than mine.
We're gonna add a little pepper. I don't know if you saw how much pepper just fell in there, but it was too much. So, okay, we're making cornbread. We're using one egg, two. I'm sorry. This. How can you cook like this? Milk, egg, vegetable oil. You gotta get the vegetable oil. This is Ginny. And since we're cooking, there she goes. That's that sweet girl. Oh, it's so sad. Okay, so, what kind of chili would you like? Vegetarian? That sounds good. Okay, we'll see you guys when it's cooked.
Dogs are coming to eat.
Hi, dogs. You hungry? What? Okay. Well, we are cooking with dogs, so here come the dogs. Bon appetit. And dog's looking kind of hungry. So what are you waiting for? Does something look good over there? Oh, yeah. Hey, Bree, speak. By the way, doesn't everyone cook with their finest jewelry on? And some beautiful flowers that just happen to be delivered for you from the dogs.